This 2025 Airstream Atlas Murphy Suite is a Class B RV. It is located in Colfax, North Carolina, 27235 and is offered for sale by Airstream of Greensboro. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Airstream is 24 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 2, Slideout, and 20 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B features Murphy bed, rear bath. This 2025 Airstream Atlas Murphy Suite is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 4500 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.